TV sudah ada peserta dari Malaysia. Oke, dan di sini we would like to promote our here Catherine.
Aceh Marathon.
Yes, have you heard about it?
Yeah, I read it from the website of Tokyo Marathon.
Wah, ternyata dia sudah mendengar tentang
Dia kata
Aceh Marathon ya. Ya.
selain daripada award marathon, the World Six Major Marathon, dia ada mention about this Aceh Jakarta International Marathon 2018.
Okay, so what do you think about it?
Satu, saya sudah fikir if I can come to Tokyo, why I shouldn't come to Jakarta, right? I mean to Aceh.
To Aceh, it's not far ya, dekat
Yeah.
kan dari KL ya.
Yeah, then I think since dia ada sebut di situ, meaning it's a prestigious one, so I must participate.
Ya, jadi selain misalnya nanti bisa ikutan Aceh Marathon ya, bisa lari juga sehat dan nanti di situ bisa lihat pemandangan di Aceh yang bagus banget. So, I'll see you at the Aceh Marathon.